Welcome to our channel. It is here in the vast and varied landscapes of our planet that life unfolds in its most spectacular forms. From the dense jungles to the sweeping savannas, a rich tapestry of existence is woven, each thread a unique species, each pattern a delicate ecosystem. Today our journey takes us into the heart of this vibrant world as we prepare to dive into the fascinating realm of iconic wildlife, creatures that have captured our imaginations and command our respect for millennia. We shall be turning our gaze for the most part towards the African continent, a cradle of biodiversity where some of the Earth's most magnificent animals roam. This land, ancient and wild, is home to a drama of survival, of power and of grace that plays out daily. We will explore the lives of creatures that are not just animals but symbols of untamed nature, of ecological balance, and of the sheer wonder that our planet holds. It is a privilege to share these glimpses into their world. Our exploration will focus on some of the most celebrated figures in the animal kingdom. We'll begin with the majestic tiger, a creature of immense power and beauty whose image, though not native to African soil, is deeply ingrained in our perception of wild majesty, often featuring prominently in global wildlife narratives. Then we shall encounter the lion, the undisputed monarch of the African plains. We will also marvel at the gentle strength of the elephant, the largest terrestrial being, and finally, observe the elegant agility of the antelope, a vital thread in the rich fabric of the savanna. Our first subject, the tiger, presents an interesting starting point. While these magnificent striped cats are primarily denizens of Asian forests and grasslands, their sheer iconic status in the broader narrative of wildlife has led to a widespread, almost universal, recognition. The tiger's coat, a breathtaking canvas of fiery orange interspersed with bold black stripes, is more than just a mark of beauty. It is a masterpiece of natural camouflage speed over short distances, combined with immensely powerful forelimbs and retractable claws, makes it and territories are marked with scent signals, urine, feces, and scratch marks on trees, a silent language communicating presence and asserting ownership. The life of a tigress is often centered around her cubs. She alone bears the responsibility of raising them, teaching them the vital skills of survival in a challenging world. For up to 2 years, the young tigers remain with their mother, learning to hunt, to navigate their environment, and to understand the subtle cues of the wild. The tiger's vocalizations are surprisingly varied, extending beyond the iconic ground-shaking roar. They communicate through a range of sounds including chuffs, growls, hisses and moans, each conveying different intentions or moods. Historically, numerous subspecies of tiger roamed across Asia, from the snowy forests of the Russian Far East to the tropical islands of the African continent itself and to an animal, Panthera leo. The very name resonates with power and majesty. Here on the sun-drenched plains the lion reigns supreme, a social cat whose life is interwoven with the fabric of the savanna ecosystem. The most striking feature of the male lion, and one that distinguishes it from all other felines, is its magnificent mane. This dense ruff of hair, ranging in color from blonde to black, not only serves as a symbol of his virility and status, but also offers some protection during fierce territorial battles with rival males. Lions are unique among cats for their highly developed social structure. They live in groups called prides, which typically consist of several related lionesses, their cubs, and a coalition of 1 to several adult males. This cooperative living arrangement offers numerous advantages, from hunting success to the protection of their young. The lionesses form the stable core of the pride. They are usually related, mothers, daughters, sisters, and aunts, and often remain in their natal pride for life. This strong bond between females is crucial for raising cubs and defending their territory against intruders. They are the primary hunters, working together with remarkable coordination. Hunting is a collaborative effort, a carefully orchestrated ballet of stealth and power. Lionesses often fan out to encircle their chosen prey, typically wildebeest, zebra, or buffalo. Some individuals may drive the prey towards others lying in ambush. This teamwork significantly increases their chances of securing a meal in an environment where prey is often fast and wary. While the lionesses undertake the majority of the hunting, the adult males play a crucial role in protecting the pride's territory and its members. Their sheer size and intimidating presence deter rival males and other predators, such as hyenas. A pride's territory can be vast, and patrolling its borders is a constant duty for the resident males. The roar of a lion is one of the most evocative sounds of the African night. It can be heard for up to 8 rivals. Life for lion cubs is perilous. They are born blind and helpless, hidden away by their mother for the first few weeks. Once introduced to the pride, they face threats from starvation, predation by hyenas or leopards, and even infanticide if a new coalition of males takes over the pride. The dynamics within a pride are complex, with subtle hierarchies and bonds. Despite their formidable reputation, lions spend a significant portion of their day resting. The lion has long been a symbol of strength, courage, and royalty in human cultures across the world. We now encounter a true titan of the terrestrial world, the African elephant. These magnificent creatures, the largest land animals on Earth, are a sight to behold. Their lives are rich with intelligence, complex social structures, and deep emotional bonds. An elephant's most distinctive features are its trunk and tusks. The trunk is a marvel of muscular dexterity, used for breathing, smelling, touching, and grasping. Tusks, elongated incisor teeth, are used for digging, stripping bark, and as weapons. Sadly, these tusks have made elephants a target for poachers. African elephants are profoundly social, living in complex matriarchal societies. Herds are led by the matriarch, the oldest and largest female. Elephants display deep emotions, including grief, mourning their dead. They possess excellent memories, recalling water sources and recognizing individuals. As mega herbivores, elephants play a crucial role as ecosystem engineers. Despite their size, elephants face serious threats from poaching and habitat loss. Finally, our exploration brings us to the diverse and elegant world of antelopes. These are not a single species but rather a vast assemblage of herbivorous ruminants, each uniquely adapted to its niche within the African ecosystem. From the diminutive dik-dik to the giant eland, antelopes are a cornerstone of the savanna's biodiversity. Antelopes are renowned for their speed and agility, crucial adaptations for evading the many predators that share their habitat. Their slender legs, powerful muscles, and keen senses allow them to detect danger from afar and make swift escapes. The pronking leaps of a springbok or the sustained gallop of a wildebeest are breathtaking displays of athletic prowess. A remarkable variety of horn shapes and sizes can be observed across the different antelope species. These horns, unlike the antlers of deer, are permanent structures made of a bony core covered by a keratinous sheath. They are typically present in males and in some species females as well, used primarily for defense against predators and in ritualized combat between males for dominance or mating rights. The social structures of antelopes vary widely. Some, like the klipspringer, form monogamous pairs that defend small territories for life. Others, such as the wildebeest or springbok, gather in enormous migratory herds numbering in the thousands, a strategy that offers safety in numbers during their epic journeys in search of fresh grazing. As herbivores, antelopes play a vital role in shaping the vegetation of the plains. Different species specialize in feeding on different types of plants or parts of plants, from coarse grasses to delicate leaves and shoots. This dietary specialization helps to reduce competition and allows multiple species to coexist within the same habitat. They are a critical link in the food web, serving as the primary prey for many of Africa's iconic carnivores, including lions, leopards, cheetahs, and wild dogs. The constant pressure of predation has driven the evolution of their remarkable speed, alertness, and sophisticated anti-predator behaviors. Many antelope species undertake seasonal migrations, following the rains to find fresh pastures. The Great Wildebeest Migration in the Serengeti Mara ecosystem is perhaps the most famous example, an awe-inspiring spectacle as millions of animals traverse the plains, facing perils such as river crossings and a gauntlet of predators. The young of most antelope species are precocial, meaning they are able to stand and run shortly after birth. This is a vital adaptation for survival on the open plains where vulnerability to predation is high. Mothers often hide their calves in dense vegetation for the first few weeks, returning periodically to nurse them. Human activities, including habitat loss due to agriculture and settlement, overgrazing by domestic livestock, and illegal hunting for bushmeat, pose significant threats to many antelope populations. Our journey through this glimpse of the world's wildlife icons, particularly those that grace the African continent, now draws to a close. We have witnessed the solitary majesty of the tiger, a global symbol of wild power, felt the communal strength of the lion pride, marveled at the gentle intelligence of the elephant, and admired the fleet-footed grace of the diverse antelope. Each of these creatures, in its own unique way, contributes to the intricate and delicate balance of its ecosystem, a balance that has been refined over millennia. The stories of these animals are not just tales of survival, they are profound reminders of the beauty, complexity, and fragility of the natural world. They underscore the interconnectedness of all living things and the vital importance of preserving these wild spaces and their inhabitants for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this exploration, for taking the time to connect with these extraordinary beings and the challenges they face in our rapidly changing world. We hope this journey has deepened your appreciation for the wonders of our planet. If you've enjoyed this insight into the lives of these incredible animals, please do show your support by liking this video, sharing your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribing to our channel for more content dedicated to the marvels of wildlife.